Hey everybody, this is Kayla from Cooptastic Adventures, and today we are at James H. Floyd State Park, I think, and we're going to be doing the Marble Mine Trail, and it is supposed to rain any second, so I'm going to try and hike this really fast so you can see the whole trail. Snake. Whoa!
Wait, can I look at her?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Where did it go? Actually, I don't know what type that is.
Kind of looks like Monty.
So it's starting to rain, so we're gonna pick up the pace, keep hiking, but this trail is really beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
Go for it, go for it, go for it. just an update. This is my sister's first hike with a hill.
I'm not even
Look at
trying to look up. I'm not even gonna look up. I'm just gonna look at the ground as I go.
I mean, to be fair, it is a pretty decent.
Face just slipped.
It's a pretty decent hill that we're going up. And
I'm walking right.
the rain stopped and the sun came out. So here we are. Everybody, so that was Marble Mine Trail, and it is an incredible trail that you, your friends, your family, kids can easily do this trail. It's not very long. It has some decent hills, according to Hannah, since it was her first hike and everything. But really easy, dogs can do it. Amazing trail, very awesome ending, and it goes on to another trail right here if you want to keep going for the day. Or if you want to go back, you can do the Lake Loop Trail, which we're about to do, since it actually stopped raining for a second. So we're just going to keep going today. We are going we had extra time after the Marble Mine Trail, so we are going to do the Lake Loop Trail, which is right behind me, if you can see. I always forget where the camera is, so sorry about that. I can't tell if it's going to rain or if it's going to stop raining, but we're going to hike this trail and hope you guys enjoy it on this beautiful, really windy day. Oh my God, we're going to go. Bye! So that was the Lake Loop Trail here at the state park, and it is actually starting to rain now, so we're done. Thankfully, that worked out pretty nicely. This trail is very easy. Okay, it's really about to storm. This trail is super easy. It takes not very long at all, and you know, and it goes around this fabulous lake that's getting rained on right now. So everybody have a good day. Hopefully you all are doing well and stay safe out there, and sending good vibes as always. Bye. My dude.